Today I am reviewing ViprTech Reaper 2.0. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that blends raw power, stunning visuals, and premium build quality, the ViprTech Reaper 2.0 liquid-cooled PC is a beast that demands attention. This 2025 edition comes in a sleek white chassis with built-in RGB lighting, which not only makes your setup look incredible, but is also customizable at the touch of a button to suit your mood or gaming environment. Under the hood, the Reaper 2.0 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, offering 8 cores and 16 threads that clock at 4.1 GHz and turbo up to 5.0 GHz. This CPU ensures that whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding creative applications like video editing and 3D rendering, the Reaper 2.0 can handle it all effortlessly. Combined with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,400 MHz, multitasking becomes a breeze, allowing you to keep multiple programs and browser tabs open while gaming without any slowdown. Graphics performance is where this machine truly shines. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB GDDR7, you can play modern AAA titles at high or ultra settings in 4K or Full HD, enjoying smooth frame rates that exceed 60 FPS. VR enthusiasts will be thrilled, as this system is fully VR-ready, allowing you to dive into immersive experiences with the latest virtual reality headsets. Storage is another area where the Reaper 2.0 excels. The included 1TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, quick load times for games, and smooth access to your files. Whether you're installing multiple large games, working on creative projects, or streaming content, the storage speed and capacity are more than adequate for any demanding user. One of the standout features of this desktop is its 240mm liquid cooling system with ARGB lighting. This cooler keeps temperatures in check, even during extended gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring that the CPU and GPU perform at their peak. The liquid cooling system also operates quietly, giving you a distraction-free environment, which is perfect for intense gameplay or focused work. Connectivity options are extensive, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, HDMI, and multiple USB ports available for all your peripherals. The case itself has been thoughtfully designed to show off your components, and the RGB lighting adds a touch of flair that makes your PC setup stand out. Every ViprTech Reaper 2.0 is hand-built in the USA and thoroughly stress-tested before shipping, offering peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a professional who demands high performance, this machine is designed to handle everything with speed, efficiency, and style. In conclusion, the ViprTech Reaper 2.0 is not just another gaming PC, it's a statement. With its powerful Ryzen 7 processor, RTX 5060 Ti graphics, DDR5 memory, 1TB NVMe SSD, and liquid cooling, it delivers high-end performance for gaming, streaming, VR, and professional applications. If you want a desktop that looks stunning and performs flawlessly, this is one of the best options available in 2025.